Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the world of wigs. The Raquel Welch Editor's Pick Layered Shoulder-Length Bob Wig by Hairuwear in the stunning SS17 Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. This one's for all the wig enthusiasts out there looking for something that's not only stylish, but functional and easy to maintain. Let's break it down. This wig features true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, which is one of its standout features. What does that mean for you? Well, you can flat iron, curl, or even blow dry it to your desired look without worrying about the texture going flat or frizzy. It's synthetic, but it behaves like human hair when it comes to styling versatility. Perfect for those who want a low-maintenance wig with the flexibility of heat styling. Now let's talk about the fit. The large cap size is designed to fit comfortably with a temple-to-temple sheer lace front and memory cap too, giving you that custom-like fit that makes all the difference when wearing a wig for extended periods. The monofilament top is another plus, creating the illusion of natural hair growth by giving you a more realistic scalp appearance. And for that added touch of luxury, it comes with velvet-lined ears and nape, making sure the wig feels as good as it looks. When it comes to the actual style, this bob is giving us all the modern vibes. With its loose, bouncy waves, it's perfect for those days when you want something chic yet relaxed. You can fingerstyle it for a more tousled, lived-in look, or brush it out for a fuller silhouette with soft waves. Either way, it's versatile and easily adaptable to whatever mood you're in. Now, here's how it performs in real life. I found the True Life synthetic hair to be incredibly easy to style. I tried curling it with a flat iron, and it held up beautifully. No frizz, no weird texture changes, just soft waves that lasted all day. Plus, the lace front made it super natural looking, so I didn't feel self-conscious about the wig line. One thing to note, though, is that this wig is on the heavier side compared to some other synthetic wigs, weighing in at 3.25 ounces. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something to consider if you're used to lighter options. As for the pros, the styling versatility is unmatched. The heat-friendly fibers are a huge plus for anyone who loves experimenting with different looks. The comfort level, thanks to the memory cap and velvet-lined features, is another major highlight. This wig stays in place and feels secure throughout the day without causing any discomfort. On the flip side, for the cons, the price might be a sticking point for some. Raquel Welch wigs are premium products, and while the quality is certainly there, the investment may not be for everyone. Another thing to consider is that because it's a synthetic wig, you'll need to take care when styling to avoid overheating the fibers, even though it is heat-friendly. In terms of value for money, it really comes down to what you're looking for. This wig is definitely on the pricier side, but if you want something that mimics human hair quality, lasts a long time, and offers versatile styling options, it's worth considering. Plus, the true-to-life synthetic fibers make it a lot easier to maintain than high-maintenance human hair wigs. When comparing this to other wigs on the market, especially within the premium synthetic range, the Raquel Welch Editor's Pick stands out for its natural look and styling options. You're getting a lot of premium features that you wouldn't typically find at this price point. The lace front, monofilament top, and customizable styling options definitely set it apart from some other synthetic options. As far as build quality goes, the wig is solid, well made with attention to detail, especially in the construction of the cap and the lace front. It should hold up well over time if you follow the recommended care instructions, and it's lightweight enough for daily wear. If you've ever interacted with Raquel Welch's customer service, you know they're known for their responsiveness and quality support. Although I haven't needed to reach out myself, the brand has a strong reputation for standing behind their products, which is always a good sign when purchasing a premium item like this. Now, if you're on a budget or looking for something that offers similar style at a lower price point, there are definitely cheaper alternatives available. Brands like John Renaud or Lush Wigs offer similar styles in synthetic hair with a similar cap design. They may not have all the premium features, but you can find something that still provides good styling versatility and comfort. To wrap it up, The Raquel Welch Editor's Pick Layered Shoulder Length Bob Wig is a premium, versatile, and stylish wig that will work wonders for anyone seeking a natural, comfortable, and easy-to-style option. The heat-friendly synthetic fibers and lace front design make it stand out, but it's not without its price tag. If you're looking for a wig that's built to last, comfortable, and with plenty of styling flexibility, this could be your go-to. If this review helped you, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you've tried this wig or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below and share your experiences. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.